almost like gun-like, isn't it?
It
It's
is.
like
I'm
machine
pretty sure it's
gun-like.
like gunshot. Like
Yeah,
you hear
yeah.
it's a gunshot. Like,
Yeah.
and then obviously the Zawardo time stop, which I feel like has almost become the universal sound of stopping time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
Yeah,
it's the Zawardo. And then there's also, you know, I mean, if you talk about music alone, my God, the new season absolutely killed it.
Oh, my
yeah.
God. Yeah.
It's like I think Super iPod 12 John said this in his review of Golden Wind, and I feel the same way. Like Golden Wind was the first adaptation of a JoJo where I think the anime is better because you lose so much when you take away that sound, and especially the music. When you hear that Giorno's theme come on,
Giorno's
shit hot.
theme is one of the few tracks in anime that has been memed to death.